What is up, guys? We have the dream wheels for the hot hatch dream build. So make this video quick. Just an update. The last one we did was just an unboxing of some paints and did the turbo housing. Oh my god, I have been waiting months. So these right here I ordered a long ass time ago, and I got them in the mail and I sent them out to get the color changed. Alright, now after getting the color changed on these are a dream wheel. Besides the ones that are on my car, I think everything that I buy is a dream thing at this point. But yes, these sent them. The packaging is good. I'm impressed. These took forever to get the color changed. I swear it did. Alright. Oh my goodness. I think I had to pay extra for packing too. Like, I had to pay for shipping there and back, and I had to pay extra for the packing. Kind of crazy now. Alright, let's put this down. Over here. What the? Alright. Pick this guy up. Damn! Holy shit. These are some nice wheel boxes. Because when I first bought these, I destroyed the boxes. Okay. Okay. Look at that, man. I think you already got a glimpse. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. So these are the Work ZR10s in triple chrome. Holy fuck, dude. These are insane. Alright. Make sure this is recording. Cool. Okay. So, my other wheels were, I paid the same, I got them the same way. They're both drilled from the manufacturer. So 5x108. They're the same offset. So they are 9.5, so 18 by 9.5 plus 35 offset. Exact same offsets, because I think that's the best. In the triple plated chrome. But yeah, I'll put a picture of what they looked like when I first bought them. And it was the traditional, I think it's like the chrome lip with the gray. And I liked it. But as a couple videos ago when I put the 3-piece triple chromes on the car, I said, my god, I need the triple chromes. I need them. I need them back. So that's what we went with here. And holy shit. I mean, this is an insane wheel. Now, as far as cost goes, you guys, I don't need to but half of it went on my credit card. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's paid off now, but these were not cheap wheels, especially with the triple chrome, which I factor that into the wheel cost because I knew I was going to do it. They were very expensive. That I just figured because I'm already going all out on this build, and you know, I am doing the kind of the dream build per se. I needed to go all out. So we're gonna have bronze accents on. I still need to get my Brembos coated, Cerakoted. I still need to pull those apart this winter and Cerakote those, front and rear. I still need to Cerakote my turbo piping, my manifold, and stuff like that. And just small things around the engine bay, like the valve cover, I need a Cerakote too, which is going to be bronze. The strut bar, bronze. So those definitely have to be coated. The burnt bronze color, same as the turbo. We're going to do triple chrome wheels, obviously keeping the car black, and then it's going to have those ST accents that are red. I think it's going to look fucking amazing. But yeah, that's the video. I'll do another B-roll shot of the wheels out on the grass maybe. I'm only going to take one out because these are so nicely packaged. And yeah, when we get tires mounted, because I don't know what size tires I want to go with right now. I have a 225 right now, 18, I don't know, I'll put it up here. I forget what tire it is. But it is a thicker tire, kind of. The height and the width, I think, is a little too big, because it does rub a fuck ton. So I might go down just a tiny bit. But then we don't power at the car, so then I'm just going to spin all day. Besides the point, when I get these tires mounted, and we're actually going to do those sensors in these, so I don't have that fucking light on all the time. It's going to be great. So once I get these mounted, I'll go through the process of that. And then hopefully in the next 2 to 3 weeks, I can have an update on the car and the motor. And yeah. So let me know what you guys think of these wheels. Honestly, honest thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. These things are crazy, bro. Fuck. I can't believe these are mine. I really can't believe these wheels are mine. I can't believe I bought them. Holy shit. These are insane. Like, I can't believe I purchased these things. I mean, I can when I see my bank account, but a lot of OT hours into this. A lot of overtime. Man. Let me know what you guys think of these wheels and how they're going to look on the Focus. And what the hot hatch build is going to look like with that colorway. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And let me know if you guys want me to go over Cerakoting my strut bar. If you want like an actual how-to video, let me know. But other than that, enjoy the close-ups of these wheels. See you guys in the next one.